Connect the I/O line to the MDVR. Pick out one of the sensor IN lines and 12-volt power supply output line. Pick up the 2 wires of the door sensor. Connect 12V out and sensor IN to 2 wires, respectively. Press the button Login on remote controller. Click Alarm on this page. Select IO_input. Check the IO_in channel according to the label of the previous connection. Choose the high trigger level. Select the default of type. Save settings. Move the cursor to the gear icon in the top right corner. Locate and click Alarm Config. The alarm type is selected as IO_2 according to the configuration of the device. Check Alarm Linkage Video. Select the video channel. Change the duration of the recording here. Save to the appropriate device. Remove the upper magnetic strip to simulate opening the car door. Click Alarm Information in the bottom left corner. Platform alarm is triggered. Click on the media list at the bottom right. You can see the videos here.